Hi everybody, I am Saima and today in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can create a WordPress website just like this one. This is an amazing e-commerce website that is specifically designed for pet foods, and the theme that I have used in this website is WordPress premium theme, that is Woodmart. So first of all, I want to show you this premium theme. Woodmart is a responsive multi-purpose WooCommerce theme that is available at Theme Forest for $59. I have a premium version of this theme and I'm going to set up an e-commerce store. This theme have a lot of demos. First of all, I want to show you live preview of this theme, and then we'll show you there are pre-built websites for various purposes like e-commerce stores, service website, business websites, and blogging sites. So here you can see that they have 48 themes for shop, 33 for business, 13 for corporate, 14 for fashion, 15 electronics website, and 21 furniture website. You have uh, you have to install WordPress Woodmart premium theme, and then it will give you the opportunity to import any one of these pre-built websites and just replace the content with your one, and your site will be ready in less than an hour. So these are the few website templates. Now let's get started. First of all, I will go to my hosting account. For the time being, I have no another domain, but I will use a subdomain for this purpose. So I will go to subdomain sections and will create a subdomain for my website. So first of all, I will create a subdomain demo sites for this particular domain, growglobalsolutions.com, and we'll click on create. Once it will be created, the next step is to set up an email account for this subdomain. If you want to set up a business email account for this domain, you can do in this way. Now you can see that demosite.growglobalsolution.com has been created. Our next step is to install WordPress at this particular subdomain, and I will move to this particular option, Softaculous Apps Installer, and from here I will install WordPress. So I have two ways to install WordPress here. First one, I can simply, if I want similar website just like this one and you have all websites in one hosting account, you can simply do nothing, only you can use this clone option, and when you will click on this clone option, at what domain you want to clone this site. Suppose I want to clone this growglobalsolution.com to the subdomain demo site, and from here you can change your database connection name. Here you can set your site name like demo site, and simply you will click on clone installation. Once you will do this, you have exact replica of this website with same username and password you can use to log into your new site. But in my case, I will not go with this option. I will use another option by simply clicking on standalone installation. So I will click on WordPress install, and from here I will select that subdomain, and in directory section you have to leave it blank. After going to down settings, here you will set site name demo site, and here you can set a site description like e-commerce store. Now I have to set a username, so you can set a unique username for your website, but for the time being I am using admin, and here I am using a password for my website. Here you can see that by default it's set in admin email to admin, but you can change this one. Suppose I go back to my hosting account, and first of all I want to create a email account for this subdomain. So I will click on create an email account, and from here domain section I will search for demosite.growglobalsolutions.com, and in this particular username I will set info. So what and here I have to provide password for my email account. So this is basically a business email account that mostly websites used for their businesses. Once this particular user email account is created, you can simply check this one by clicking on check email options. For the time being, I am using this one to receive my WordPress related queries. So I have used this one, and from here you can choose site language like English, select plugins, limit login attempts, and classic editor. You can select any one of these, but for the time being I have set this one, and now I will click on install. If you want to, password strength is not good, that's why it asking to set password again. So once you have done all required setting, you can simply click on installation and your website will be uh, set up. Now I will you after installation you will get this particular link to log into your website. So simply click on this one and provide your username and password to log in to your website. Once your website is set up, SSL certification installation sometimes takes time. That's why when you after installing WordPress and you visit your website, you can see this kind of message: your connection is not private. But this is not a problem. Once your SSL will be activated, you can log into your website. Okay, now SSL is activated and site is live. So once your site is live, the next step is to install a WordPress theme for your WordPress website. So by default, when we go to theme section in appearance settings, we can see that there are three by default WordPress themes like 2023 is activated. Now I will click on add new and will import a Woodmart theme that I already purchased. So I will click on upload theme option, and from here you have to choose a zip file. So you have to select the zip file that you have already downloaded, and simply after selecting that particular file you have to install this one. I will click on install now. Okay, theme file has been uploaded. Now I have to activate this one. After activation, this kind of dialog box will be opened. So you have to simply click on Let's Start. And here you can see that activate your purchase code for this domain to turn on auto updates function. Thank you for activation. Once you upload a premium Woodmart file, your license will be automatically activated. I will click on next step, and if you want to make changes directly to theme, you have to install child theme, but I don't want to make any kind of changes, so I will skip this step and we'll move to the next one. After after here, you will see two options like which kind of page builder you want to be use. I mostly used Elementor and I am very familiar with this one. So I will select this one and will click on next step. So after selecting page builders, there are few other plugins that you have to install. So simply click on install and activate all. It will take some time. Once all your uh, plugins will be installed and activated, we will move to the next step, that is our pre-built websites. Okay, plugins are successfully installed. Now next step is to install demo, and to install demo you can see that, as I earlier told you, that there are multiple demo sites available in Woodmart premium versions. So you can go with any one of these, like if I am selecting this one, you can see that here your top bar goes, here header menu, and there is a slider, and after this one you can see a different options like products, categories, products, blog section, and here your footer goes. So if you want to set up this kind of website, I will go with this one, this one retail shop. So but you can use any one of these, like you want to set up jewelry website, you can use this one. You can, if you want to set up medical website, you can use this one. If you want to set up school websites, you can go with this one. And for services, you can choose any one of these. So a lot of options are available if you want to set up glasses, tools, fashion, drinks, electronics, toys. So for the time being, I'm going to install any one of these, like I'm going with tool websites, retail, and I will simply click on this one to import. Once import will be completed, you will be able to view a complete website. So once demo will be successfully installed in, then we will see how to customize a Woodmart pre-built website using Elementor Page Builder. It will take some time to install demo, as in demo it import all pre-built pages, post, media content, and any other things that are available in pre-built website. So here you can see that this was the original website. Now once our demo will be completed, we will see how it looks like. Okay, the pre-built website demo is successfully imported. Now this will give you option to view page. Simply click. So demo is successfully installed. Now I will simply click on visit site, and you will see that your site is perfectly working. So in our next video, we will see how to customize a WordPress. So in our next video, we will see how to customize WordPress website with Woodmart theme and Elementor Page Builder, and how to set up your e-commerce store in few minutes by using this kind of layout. So here you can see that all required things are available. You have only to change the products, your prices, your categories, and also you have to change these links and any kind of contact section. So hopefully we will see all these things in our next video, and also we will see how to set up this kind of mega menu using Woodmart theme. Thank you very much for your interest in this video. Stay connected for upcoming videos. For the time being, you can download the Woodmart premium theme available in the video description. Thank you very much.